In this video I will show you how to smooth skin retouching in Adobe Photoshop. Press Ctrl J to duplicate layers. Hide this top layer. Select this second layer. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter and choose Noise and Median. Follow these settings and press OK. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Follow these settings and press OK. Change the blending mode to Overlay. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter and choose Blur and Gaussian Blur. Follow these settings and press OK. Unhide this layer. Change the blending mode to Vivid Light. Go to Filter. Choose Other and choose High Pass. Follow these settings and press OK. Go to Filter. Choose Noise and add noise. Follow these settings and press OK. Now we will flatten all these layers by pressing Shift. Press Ctrl G to group. Right-click and choose Blending option. Alt-press Move. Press OK. Add a layer mask. Press Ctrl I to inverse. Go to Brush tool. Now we'll start brushing the face. I'm just going around like this to teach you. Follow the process. I can clear it up with this too. Follow the process. And before. And after. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.